Hi guys, it's your girl Latoya K and I'm back again with another video. Today I will be making peanut oatmeal porridge, guys. Ladies, we have the husband them will run come over here, sir. Girls, ladies, if you don't want the man them have the stamina in a day, make the porridge here, guys. Follow the recipe here and make the porridge here, guys. There I'm showing you all the ingredients that I will be using in my porridge. I'm going to use cinnamon powder, oatmeal, coconut powder, nutmeg, vanilla, almond milk, condensed milk, sugar, salt, the whole 9 yards, guys. I'm showing you all the ingredients there. Look and learn, guys. If you don't know, look and learn. If you know already, watch it again. Maybe me add something where you never know about, or maybe me do something where you never know. You're never too old to learn, and there's always more than one way of cooking. So don't come over here come tell me say I saw it do. This is my way of doing it and I'm sharing it with you. So now I'm washing my peanuts to get rid of all the little debris, guys, because you know say I shell the peanut. I see them some of the way I float on the top are the shell of the peanuts. So I wash it to make sure so I get rid of all, if not most, if not all of it. Give cup of wash to make sure it's nice and clean. Yeah. Okay, guys. So now I'm going to blend up all my ingredients that needs to be blended. I'm adding in my peanuts, my wash and clean peanuts to the blender. Then I will be adding my coconut powder. My coconut powder, that's the Maggi coconut powder. You can use any coconut powder of your choice, no specific one. This is my oats. I'm going to be adding my oats, guys. Remember, do not add so much oats. It's not a oats porridge, it's a peanut porridge. The oats is just to help thicken the porridge. You know what? I taste oats like a oats porridge I drink. No, it's peanut porridge. Okay, guys. Also, I'll be adding almond milk. You guys, if you don't have almond milk, you can use water. Because I have the almond milk and I know that the almond milk will help bring up the flavor, I'm adding the almond milk. If you don't have it, use water. No problem. It will still taste good. Okay, guys? To the blender, I'm also going to add my cinnamon powder. Reason why I'm adding the cinnamon powder to the blender is because sometimes when you add the cinnamon powder, when you're sweetening the porridge, when you add the vanilla and all that, the cinnamon powder tend to get lump up. When you add, you can add the cinnamon powder, is add it directly to the pot with the hot water where I boil. But you see, if you ever add it when the porridge done make, it just gonna get lumpy in it. You have them little fine clumps of cinnamon powder there. And you know what, when you drink a porridge, you drink this, you taste this big clump of cinnamon powder. No, that not taste good. So add it to the blender or add it to the water where I boil, and you won't get that lumpy thing. Okay, so now I'm blending, guys. Guys, when I'm blending my peanut to make my peanut porridge, I don't blend it smooth. Reason being, I like to be chewing some of my peanut. I like fair chew, cause peanut porridge me I drink, and a caramel and a cream of wheat and a banana. I want a little bit fair chew. It not go big like when you make American, but believe little, me not blend it too smooth. So there's my boiling water with my cinnamon leaf. I'm going to be adding my peanut mixture, guys. You see, when you add this now to the pot, you're going to turn on your stove a little bit. Remember, it's raw peanut. This peanut that I'm using is raw peanut. You see, if you turn up the fire too high, the oats will get too thick too fast and the peanut nah go cook. You have to give the peanut a little time to boil so that the peanut can cook. It's raw peanut, peanut can't eat raw, but a porridge you make, you want the peanut to cook. If the peanut not cook, you're not gonna get the right peanut porridge taste. Trust me. Give it 10 to 15 minutes for the peanut to cook. Don't turn up the fire high and let it get too thick too fast. And also, If the porridge get too thick too fast, it means you add too much oats in it. It's supposed to take it like a time and get thick. And also guys, when you add the mixture to the water, don't just throw it in it and leave it. Give it a proper mix. Give it a proper mix, guys, so that it doesn't lump up. People who can cook now make lumpy porridge. Lumpy porridge. No, not for we around here. So we don't make lumpy porridge, guys. Mix your porridge. Mix up your porridge. Give your porridge a proper mix. Mixing is the key. The initial mixing when you just add your ingredients to the pot is the key to not having a lumpy porridge. You cannot just throw your ingredients in the pot and leave it. Continue mixing. It now go take up same time. Leave it little. Make it start get. You see right here, my porridge is getting a little thick. It's not fully thick. And I'll come back again and me get a next good mix. You understand, guys? Mixing is the key to not having a lumpy porridge, because sometimes everything will just sit down at the bottom, sit down, and up at the top not even get thick. So you have to continue mix it. There I am, I'm mixing. I'm giving it a good mix. Still not thick, but me I mix it. See me I lift up the spoon for show and say it's not really thick. You soon see how it look when it start get thick. Guys, you gotta see the difference when it start get thick from now. But me I continue mix. Mixing is key. Okay, now it start to get thick. Still not fully thick, even though when I make no pudding. Guys, I hate it when my porridge is so thick that I have to cut it with a spoon. Enough people like it. I don't. I don't like to have to cut my porridge with a spoon. I like my porridge to have a nice consistency. I'm making porridge, not pudding. So here I am, I'm mixing, guys. Remember I told you mixing is key. Mix your porridge and mix it from down at the bottom so that the bottom not stick up and get burnt. Mix, mix. Call me mixy. But I'm gonna mix my porridge finna make it lumpy. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be adding a little whole milk. So the white lasco, I'm gonna add it to it to get the porridge a little bit more creamy. Some people don't add lasco, you know, especially since I'm gonna add the coconut powder, and you have the almond milk, and then you gotta add the sweetened condensed milk. Them don't add the whole milk or the white lasco or whatever milk. When I'm making my porridge, even though I'm using the condensed milk and whatever other else milk, I still add, whether I have a lasco or I have the cow's milk, I add it because that give the porridge an extra creaminess. Trust me. Now I'm flavoring up my pot. I just add the almond. Now I'm adding my vanilla, guys. I don't measure. I just eyeball and put in my taste. And if it tastes like you want a little more, I put in. But I can measure if you guys want me to measure and tell you the ingredients. But I don't do that. But just add and freestyle and taste and know what me I do. Guys, I also added a little salt to this pot. A thing about sweetening of porridge, guys, or anything that you're making milk based, you have to add a little salt, because sometimes you'll be there sweetening and a taste, and I say, oh, the porridge not have may I add sugar and it not taste like it's sweet, or it not give me the right taste. It wants something. The little something where it want is little salt. Guys, there I had the sugar. I forgot to video that part. I'm going to show you guys the sugar pan now for showing us, say, yeah, I did put sugar in it. Yeah, I put sugar. Guys, as I was saying about the salt, sometimes you will be sweetening your porridge and you can't get the right flavor. It's a little pinch of salt it want here. Just a little pinch of salt. But the salt the pot, you know, just add little salt and see the difference. Trust me. Guys, see the consistency with me like my porridge there. I don't know about you. This is the consistency that I like. I don't like it any thicker than this. And remember, say guys, when it cool down little, it's gonna get even more thicker. Look at my finished porridge, guys. Guys, thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. guys, this is a little clip of when I'm having the porridge for my dinner, guys. But it's show the old porridge died. I have to eat it twice. Yeah, guys, and I'm showing you guys the consistency of the porridge after it cooled down. You see how the porridge look? It's not too thick, it still have a little creamy and runny consistency. We not cook, we not make pudding. When a pudding time, a pudding time. When a porridge time, a porridge time. This is the consistency of the porridge. Without further ado, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend that Lataya K is now on YouTube. And also remember, guys, in a world that is full of so much bad, be good. Be good.